Turkey has taken a significant step toward the future of naval warfare with the launch of the MARLIN SİDA, a next-generation unmanned surface combat vessel, developed as part of Turkey's rapidly evolving indigenous defense ecosystem. The MARLIN SİDA represents a significant milestone in the country's ambition to build a network-centric, autonomous, and cost-effective naval force. Unlike traditional surface warships that require large crews and extensive logistical support, the MARLIN SİDA is designed to operate without onboard personnel, reducing operational risk while enabling a sustained presence in contested waters. Its unmanned nature allows it to undertake higher-risk missions. The MARLIN SİDA is not simply a surveillance platform but a completely unmanned warship. Depending on its configuration, it can be equipped with precision-guided missile systems, electronic warfare, payloads, and intelligence-gathering sensors. The MARLIN SİDA is built on a modular architecture, allowing for rapid reconfiguration depending on operational needs. The ship features a low-radar cross-section hull design optimized for reduced detection, increased survivability, and agility in coastal and high-seas environments. High-seas surface mobility, long endurance for extended patrol missions, advanced autonomous navigation and collision avoidance systems, encrypted data links for secure command and control, and compatibility with manned naval platforms. The core of the MARLIN SİDA is a state-of-the-art autonomy system powered by artificial intelligence and advanced sensor fusion. This enables the warship to perform complex missions such as route planning, target identification, threat assessment, and evasion maneuvers with minimal human intervention. The system supports multiple operational modes: fully autonomous mission, semi-autonomous control, and remote operator command. This flexibility allows the commander to adjust the level of control depending on the threat environment and mission sensitivity. Primary mission profiles include surface warfare against enemy ships, neutralization of asymmetric threats, including fast attack craft, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, ISR, electronic warfare, and signals intelligence, force protection for naval task forces, maritime security and patrol operations. By acting as a frontline sensor and strike platform, MARLIN SİDA extends the operational reach of the Turkish Navy while keeping high-value manned assets at a safer distance. As global navies increasingly shift to unmanned and autonomous systems, MARLIN SİDA places Turkey among a small group of nations capable of designing, producing, and operationally deploying armed unmanned warships. The vessels can operate independently or as part of a coordinated group, working alongside frigates, corvettes, submarines, aircraft, and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. The introduction of the MARLIN SİDA reflects Turkey's broader naval doctrine known as Blue Homeland Mavi, which emphasizes maritime sovereignty, deterrence, and power projection in key seas such as the Aegean, Eastern Mediterranean, Black Sea, and beyond. One of MARLIN SİDA's most significant strengths lies in its integration into Turkey's networked warfare architecture. This unmanned warship can exchange data in real time with command centers, air assets, and other naval platforms, creating a shared operational picture across the entire battlefield. This connectivity enables faster decision-making cycles, better target accuracy, coordinated, multi-domain operations, and effective swarm tactics. In future conflicts, networked unmanned platforms like this are expected to play a crucial role in defeating enemy defenses. Compared to conventional surface warships, MARLIN SİDA offers several strategic advantages: lower acquisition and operational costs, no risk to human crew, rapid deployment and scalability, high survivability through deployment and redundancy. In high-intensity conflict scenarios, unmanned vessels like MARLIN SİDA can draw enemy attention, conduct decoy operations, or deliver precision strikes without increasing personnel losses. MARLIN SİDA is also expected to attract strong interest in the international defense market. Many navies, especially those with limited budgets, seeking affordable yet capable unmanned naval solutions. To enhance coastal defense and maritime security, Turkey's proven track record in exporting unmanned systems, particularly UAVs, positions the MARLIN SİDA as a highly competitive product with strong potential across Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and Europe. With the launch of the MARLIN SİDA, Turkey has demonstrated that unmanned naval warfare is no longer a concept but an operational reality. This platform reflects a broader transformation in military thinking, where autonomy, artificial intelligence, and multi-domain integration are redefining how warfare at sea will be waged. As the MARLIN SİDA enters service and evolves through upgrades, it is poised to become a cornerstone of Turkey's future naval power, symbolizing a new era in which intelligent, unmanned warships operate at the forefront of maritime power projection.